Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in our previous sessions we have discussed about various number systems, so how the numbers can be represented. So we have seen the binary system, decimal system, hexadecimal, octal, etc. Now we'll see one more topic in that number systems, that is a binary addition. So how can we add two binary numbers? So we know that addition of two decimal numbers. So now we'll see how can we add two binary numbers, that we call it as a binary addition. So binary addition. So the conversion of decimal to addition, so already we have discussed in our previous sessions. I'll post the link in the description, just follow that one, right? So before going to this binary addition, we need to follow some five rules. So if you understand these rules, then the binary addition will be very easy. So what is these rules? So we need the two inputs in order to give the addition, right? So first one, the binary numbers, the binary representation is with the combinations of zeros or ones. So only two numbers will be there, either 0 or 1. So any number will be represented with zeros and ones. Next, see, if you want to add two binary numbers, that means we require two numbers, right? So input 1, similarly input 2, and what would be the result? Sum, and what would be the carry? So which will be a carry forward, right? Now we need to follow this table. So if you understand this table, that would be very easy to perform the binary addition. So if both the inputs are zeros, so 0 plus 0 will give the sum as 0 and a carry as 0, right? A carry as 0. And if there is a combination of 0 and 1, obviously the result will be 1 and the carry is 0. There will be no carry. And the combination either 0 or 1 or 1 or 0, the result is same. The sum is 1 and carry is 0, right? And if both the inputs are 1, okay, both the inputs are 1, so just imagine these two are the binary numbers, not the decimal numbers. If both are decimal numbers, we'll get the result as 2. But these are the binary numbers. Even though we are adding two ones, we should get only either 0 or 1, because these are the binary numbers. The binary number will be represented with either 0 or 1. So the result of both ones, if both the inputs are ones, then the sum is 0 and the carry is 1. The carry will be 1. Okay, and if there are three inputs, so 1 plus 1 plus 1. So three inputs, three ones. If there are three ones, then the result will be 1 and the carry will be 1. Just remember these five rules, so it would be very easy to perform the binary addition of any binary numbers. Okay, so both are zeros, the result will be 0, carry 0, 0, 1, sum is 1 and carry 0. So 1 and 0, sum is 1 and carry 0. Both are ones, sum is 0 and carry 1. These two are important. So there is no complex thing for first three rules. These two are important. If both the inputs are ones, then the sum will be 0 and carry 1. And if all three inputs, that means consider this as a carry, right? If both the inputs are 1 and already there is a carry with 1, obviously we'll get the sum as 1 and a carry as 1. Okay, consider this one, right? So consider this as a carry. So if you are having 1 plus 1, the carry will be 1. So in the next step, there are two inputs are 1 and with the carry 1, then the result will be 1 and 1. Just remember this one. Now we'll see an example. Okay, how can we perform the addition based upon only these rules, right? Now let us take the two binary numbers and we'll perform the addition. I am not taking any decimal values, I am taking only two binary values. So let me take the binary values as 0, 0, 1, 1 and 1, 0, 1, 0. Let us perform the addition between these things, these two. Now observe input 1 and 0. 1 and 0. So if 1 and 0, the result will be 1. Carry is 0. Carry is 0. So let it be, this is a carry. Okay. So this is the carry term. Now 1 and 1, both inputs are 1 and with carry 0, right? Both inputs are 1, then the sum will be 0 and the carry will be 1. Carry will be 1. If both are 0, 0 and carry 1, obviously it will be 1. And 0 and 1, it will be 1. So this will be the addition of these two binary numbers. Once we will cross check. What is the decimal representation of this thing? Decimal representation. Let us take the representation 8, 4, 2 and 1. So these two bits are 1. So the result, the decimal value is 3, this one, and the decimal value is 8 plus 2. It's a 10. It's a 10. Right? So totally, if you perform the addition, what will you get? 13. So what is the binary decimal representation of the result? So 8 plus 4 plus 1. Right? 8 plus 4 plus 0. This is 0 plus 1. So obviously we will get 13. You can observe both are equal. Okay, you can observe both are equal. Right? So hope you understood this one. Just a binary addition, just following the previous 5 rules. Now let us take one more example. Let us take one more example. Let us consider 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Let us take these two things. Okay. Now perform the addition operation. And this is a carry. Okay. So 1 and 1, it will be 0 and a carry 1. Okay. And 1 and 1, again it's a 0 and a carry 1. 1 and 1, again it's 0, carry 1. 1 and 1, again it is 0, carry 1. And all the three ones, 1 followed by the carry. So here there is no term, so you can simply write it here. Okay, so this is the result of addition, adding these two numbers. So we'll see what is the result, the decimal values. So let us consider, so 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. 8 and 16. Now the result of this one is all ones. So 16 plus 8, 24, 24 plus 4, 28, 28 plus 2, 30 plus 1, 31. The result is 31 decimal value. And this one, 16 plus 1, it is 17. If you add both, what will you get? The result is 48. What about the result? Let us check here. Okay, let us check here. See 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. So only these two terms are ones. So that means 32 plus 16. Obviously it will be 48. Right? Both are equal. So blindly we have to follow the 5 rules which we have discussed earlier. So same way we can perform the addition for 3 numbers, 3 binary numbers. Okay, follow the same procedure. You can follow the same procedure. Let us consider one more example and we'll close. For 3 binary addition, adding the 3 binary numbers. So we'll take 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. So we'll take the 3, addition of 3. Okay, so addition of 3 and this will be the carry. So you can observe 1 plus 0 plus 0. So obviously it will be 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1. 2 inputs are 1. So result is 0 and carry is 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0. So 2 ones are there. 2 inputs are 1s. So obviously it will be 0 and a carry 1. And 3 ones are there. 1 and a carry 1, so here there is no thing, so we can give 1 here. So 11101 will be the result. Let us take, so 1, 2, 4 and 8. The binary representation of this one, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11, and this one 8 plus 4, 12, and this one only 2. So adding all these three things, so 23 and 25, total 25. Let us consider this one, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So you can observe here 16 plus 8 plus 1, 16 plus 8, 24 plus 1. So obviously the result is 25. Okay, so this is how we can perform the addition of any binary numbers. So you can consider 3 numbers, 4 numbers, 2 numbers, whatever it may be. Okay, just follow the rules, 5 rules which we have discussed in the starting of this session, right? So how to convert the binary to decimal and decimal to binary? So just I will post the link in the description, just follow that one and then you can observe the calculation of binary addition, right? So hope you understood this one. Let's stop here, and if you are having any doubts regarding this procedure, feel free to post your doubts in the comment section. Definitely I will try to clarify all your doubts. And if you really enjoyed my session, like my session, share my session with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.